Sit down here now. Let's open. No, no, no biting, no biting. Okay, let's open it. What is this? Snake. Yeah, it's snake. Okay. No, no, no. Mommy will open like this. There. Can you pull that out? Help mommy pull it out. Okay. Snake. Oh my goodness. Oh, mama will help you. You see? Open like this. There. And then there. See? That's a toy. You like that? You like it? That's so pretty. Snake. That's a snake. What do you call that? Snake. Yeah, snake, right. Okay, you have to wait our food to come, and then we will go to the pediatrician, to the doctor, okay? Yeah? Are you ready? Oh, oh. Snake. You like this one, right? You like this? You like this? Okay, you like this. Ito lang po. Hey! What's that now? What happened to my plants? They're dying na. Text me, babe, when you get ka, ano? Knock, knock, knock. Be careful, be careful. Don't get close to. Why, do you have any other shoes? No, not the knock. Oh, good job, Aljor. He's paying on the, patty. Say, good job, Aljor. Aljor, good job. Say, good job, Aljor. Babe, that's your shoe. What else you have? What shoe are you? Which one you looking for? That's the one.
Where's all the shoes?
Trike. What's a trike na? Did you call trike? Say trike. Sexy naman yun. Say trike. Oh, come down. Okay. Come here. Ang hangin naman, nak. Okay, go. Kasya ba tayo dyan?
Doon naman sa likod.
Oh, sige. No, nagdas naka ano. Not that one. Not that one. Come, let's go the fish. We will take a look the fish. What fish do they have? Wow, may pampano, anak. Yeah. And then, let's go, Tata, there. Come here. Let's go, Tata is there. Come on. Come here. Tata, where are you? Tata, where are you? Nandito pala kami sa market. Ay, parang gusto ko naman tumingin ng short. Okay. Tata, where are you? Chicken. Where's Tata? Yeah.
Gusto mo, dito ka kumuha. Pwede naman ito. Sige.
Ay, wag lang dalawa tayo.
Anong malasog eh? Ito nyo po ah.
Squid. Fish. Yeah, it's a fish. You want fish? Kunti na lang isda nila.
Meron din doon tuna si ate, hindi ko naman nakakita.
Yan yung tuna binili mo dati?
Ito malasog, ito yung puti yung ano.
Yung binili mo masarap.
Ito, kaya
Yan?
hindi naman to belly eh, laman.
Laman po yan, pang steak.
Ay, hindi, Blue Marlins yun, yung binili ko.
Ah, lumar din.
Lasang kambing.
Magkano kilo ng ano?
Malambot.
Oo,
Squid.
mataba siya.
Ako to, nasusuya din ako doon te. Ano?
Alam mo, pag niluto mo, grabe yung taba niya eh. Di ba, mataba masyado.
Blue marlin ba
Bakit
yun?
nagtitinda rin kami dati noon?
Okay lang yung kinilaw doon, pero pag
Ayokong
ano,
lasa, di na kami nagtinda.
hindi kasi masyadong mataba pag niluto eh.
Dito suke.
1 kilo.
Dito kuya magkano sa ano?
460 na lang ngayon te, wala nang 5 pesos. Bumaba na. Sariwa te oh.
Huwag mo pa kalaki-laki sa bibili ako ng ano.
Nangyayaragos yun te. Nagpaliwanag ka agad dati kung nangyayaragos.
Alam mo daw yung itim na ayaw natin, yung pala yung omega, ano, nandun yung omega 3.
Walang omega 4.
Yung eh.
Alam, may ano, octopus. Kaya lang malaki eh.
Ito meron man ito kayo, isang piraso. Alam, 1 kilo to. Buo lang yan, di ba kikilaw lang yan?
Budolin mo na naman ako. Hindi, buo lang yan. Bakit timbang nga?
Oh.
Try natin na pumili ng ano.
Ito
ko na yun.
masarap to. Alam mo bang ano yan, malinis yan sa loob.
5 piso lang po sobra. Ngayon pa lang tumama. Tuna ito. Kunin mo na lang ito, suke. Kunin medya siguro yan. Naliwa naman sa suke.
Kuya, kalahati lang.
Mo na naman ako.
Hindi. Kalahati po. Pwede po kayo. O, 1.6.
Ay,
Bawasan natin.
malaki.
Bawasan natin.
Oo.
O, mga tayo. 1.6 to. Mga ganito.
Natakot na naman siya. Masarap kaya to.
80-20.
maganda
Nine
yung
na gusto
ano
mo na. Yan, maganda na. Merong mga dilawan na. Yung iba natatakot sa dilawan eh. Di na lang, mas masarap sa bisugo yan. Mas malambot na nai. Eh, sige. Bagit ka lahat ito eh, okay lang.
Magkano?
257 po. 257.
How much is the pizza? Which one you like, anak? Come on, pick one. Pick. You want the burger? See the burger, anak? Which one you like? Dali na, choose. Naguluhan siya, madami kasi nakikita. You want that? Which one? You want that one? Okay. Are you sure? Magkano po yan, Tay? Okay, go get that. Excuse na. You like that? You got something on your chin, anak? Got something on your chin. You like that one? Are you sure? Huh? Where's Tata Michelle? Are you sure, nak? Go tell to Daddy. Say, thank you, Daddy. You got new toy. Let me see. Let me see. Wow, you got ice cream. Are you happy? Okay, Mama will open it. Okay. Oh, no, no, Monty, not for you. Oh, no, no, Monty. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Let's open it. No, Monty, this is for Yana. Yana has a new toy. Are you happy? Yes. Say thank you, Daddy. Wow. Oh, anak, don't remove the head. This is the head. See, look at the hair. What is inside? Don't pull out the hair. Wow, that's so cute. And you got ice cream. And donut. Got donut. Okay. And you got popsicle. Wow. Oh my God. Mga dagdag kalat na naman tayo, nak. And the other one. Wow. See, no more. Put it in the trash can. Here's your ice cream. That's all you have. Okay? Ito lang yung binili ko. 3 apple. Tag 100. Yung grapes, nasa ano yata to, 180 yung grapes. And then I have isang persimmon lang. Grapes ko, 1 kilo yata to. Ano, hindi. Hindi ko alam kung 1 kilo to. Tapos, meron tayong kamatis. Yes, anak. Donut. Banana Q. And meron tayong kamote. Ang kilo na kamote ngayon, 180. Ay, no, 80 pa na. 80. 1 kilo yan. Sibuyas at saka bawang. And, yes, anak. Kunting luya. How about? Where's your chair? Here your chair, anak. Here. Oh, oh. Yeah. Okay. So, yun lang. Naka 1,000 na ako. Yun lang yung binili ko. Anong kinain mo, Tinikon? Ha? Anong kinain mo? Are you happy na? Ito, isa lang. Oh.
Mama.
Yes. Oh, turn on the TV. Okay. Wala pa yung ano nilalim mo. So, yun lang yung ating vlog. Are you happy na? Are you happy? Oh, that's so sweet. Mama will, you want grapes?
No.
No? Yes or no? Or you want apple?
Huh?
You want apple?
No.
No? Okay. Mama will have persimmon. Okay? Alright. Mahal na talaga ng bilihin. Kailangan natin gumawa ng 2 jowa. Oo. Dapat marunong tayo ng time management.
No. No.
Hindi ka mababait tayo.